Your computer feels slow and you don't know why. Task Manager is your secret weapon, and today I'll show you how to use it like a pro. First, let's open it. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. That's the fastest way. Or right-click your taskbar and choose Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete. Then select Task Manager from the menu. When it opens, you'll see several tabs. The Processes tab shows every app and background task that's running. Sort the list by CPU, memory, or disk to find out what's using the most resources. If something is frozen or hogging memory, right-click and choose End Task. Next is the Performance tab. This shows live graphs for CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. If your PC feels slow, this tab tells you exactly which resource is maxed out. Next, the Startup tab lets you control what launches when Windows starts. Disabling unnecessary items here can speed up your boot time. Then the Users tab shows how much each logged-in user is using. And for advanced users, the Details and Services tabs let you control individual processes and background services. Pro tips. 1. Right-click any process and select Search Online to see what it is before ending it. 2. Double-click the edge of the Task Manager window to switch to Compact Mini View mode. 3. Keep Task Manager open while you work to spot performance spikes in real time. Task Manager isn't just for closing frozen apps, it's your real-time health monitor for your PC. Use it to keep your computer fast, clean, and under control. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick, easy tech tips every week.